Alright, hello guys, welcome back. So next I'll be showing us how to using Trebedit, how to include images both from internal and external source. Alright, so this time around we're going to use the about page. Let's open our about page and see what we had initially. Okay, we don't have anything. So right now we're just gonna create. Let me just have an H2 that says my favorite images. My favorite images. Okay, all right, let's see what right now. So we're going to have an image, and we already have an image shortcut here. Just click on this, it will bring it out for you. So right, the src is the link of the image. So first of all, we're going to start with getting images from an online source. So now I have here with me on splash.com. That's my favorite site for getting images. So I'm just going to use any picture at random. All right, let's use this one here. Now how do I copy the link from phone? I long press on it and it pops out this, and then I see different options. Copy. Now there's either copy link address, let me see, or copy, okay, or download image. Let's first do the first option, copy link address. All right, let's go. Now I'm going to paste that inside my src. All right, the alt text, just give it a description. Let me just call it Queen of Egypt. She looks like Queen of Egypt anyway. Queen of Egypt. All right, now so I save and let's preview what. Let's look at what that looks like. Okay, it's not showing. um I knew that. Right, there's meant to be this option, copy image address. That's what I was actually hoping to see, not copy link address. I don't know. Copy image. Can it be copy image? No, I don't think so. Let me see if that will work. On a desktop, you always find two options. You find the copy image address and copy link address. Copy link address will not work for you. It's always copy image address that works. Okay, now I'm having issues here. I'm naturally not a fan of. I'm naturally not a fan of. Okay, it's not even working. Self. It's not even working. Um. Okay. Let me try another image just to be sure that copy link address, copy image address. There's no copy image address. Let me try this again, but I know it wouldn't work. And it's good we're actually doing this together anyway. So I copy this one again. I save. It's also not working. All right, now, so the best thing, which this option is not even the best option for me. The best option right now, which I was going to actually talk about initially, is to download the image properly. So I click on this and I download image. Can you see? It's downloaded already in my. All right, it's downloaded already. So the first thing I need to now do, that what makes image more complicated. Let me remove this link first of all. Is that you need to get the image into your folder. Everything we are using, we have to get them into our folder. Right now there's nothing there. Okay, I've not saved. Okay, the alt text is what's showing right now. Let me remove that. All right, I save. All right, there's nothing there now. So let's go back to the folder, and the image we just the image, this same option button here at the bottom right, I click on it to import. Look at import file. I click on import file, and all right, thank God I'm in my gallery. This is the image I just downloaded. So I click on it, it is here. And the best thing to do is to rename it. So let's just rename it as Queen. Can you see Queen.jpg? Now let's go back to our page now. I think it's easier this way. It's actually, I've said this before, it's better, it's wiser to even have the image downloaded, because if you use it directly from their site, if something happens to their site tomorrow and that their site crashes, every image you use from their site directly will no longer work on your own site or your project again. So to be on the safe side, any image you're going to use that you are getting online, please download it and save it on your own folder. All right, now so src is going to be set to queen.jpg, and then we can put the alt text as queen back. All right, so we save and it should work now. Can you see it's working? But you can see that it's kind of overshooting, it's kind of too long, so we can always adjust. We call it inline styles. We can always adjust the width and height of images from html. So after this alt, you can see I put space. I'm going to have width here, and then equals to, this is what I clicked on here. So let's just give it how much should we give it? Let's give it 300 pixel. I think the height is fair enough. I save. All right, can you see? So what I did, again, so as not to confuse you, I downloaded the image from their site, I placed it here, and then I renamed it for something easy to access, and I ensure that I brought the image to the same folder where we are working on. And then from our image tag, src set to the name of that image, and I give it an alt text, and I adjusted the width. Let's do another example now. Another example again, these are image. I click on image, src. Okay, let me get another image right now. This time around, import file. Let me try to import um okay, let me use my personal. All right, so I've imported this one. Now you can see that the file name is too long, so you long press, look at this option here, rename, and then let me just rename it as personal. So I've renamed it now, personal.jpg. Back to this place, I'm going to have another image now. Okay, I already have the image tag, alt text set to my, let me just say my selfie. All right, now the src is going to be personal. That's the name of the file, personal.jpg. I save, and you can see that the first one we adjusted it is fine, but look at the second one. It's so big, it's really big. Let me zoom in. Can you see that it's still too big? It doesn't make any sense. Let me switch to desktop view. On the desktop view itself, is still too big. All right, now so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to adjust the width and height, and then after this alt text, after the alt text, I just have width set to what should we give it? Let's give it 400 pixel, and then after it, space, height set to, no, width should be set to 300 pixel. Width should be set to 300 pixel, while height should be set to 400 pixel. That should, I save, and then let's go back. Can you see now? Can you see? So it's as simple as that. It's something you can do by yourself. So just try it, get your images. Remember I said, as much as you can actually get images from other sites and link them directly to your page, whether you're using phone or you're using desktop, it is better, it is wiser to download the image to your device and transfer it to your project folder, rename it, and use it. So no matter what happens to this site where I got this first image, till forever nothing can happen to my own project here, even if that site crashes, because I'm now using this image from my own personal folder. So I think I've been able I believe we should understand by now how to use images on Trebedit. All right, thank you once again. Please try this out, put it to use, do something with it, create something. All right, thank you, have a wonderful time learning.